Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can unblock your blocked contact on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel for more Snapchat videos like this, and let's move on. First step, after opening Snapchat, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you click on your profile picture, it's going to take you to Snapchat profile section. Now once you're inside your Snapchat profile, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Now once you click on the setting icon at the top right, it's going to bring you to your Snapchat setting. Now once you're inside Snapchat setting, you want to scroll all the way down until you see this option called blocked, alright? So scroll a bit down until you see blocked. So as you guys can see, right under privacy control, I can see this option called blocked user. So once I click on it, it's going to show me all the list of people and contact which I have blocked in Snapchat. So I click on blocked user. And as you guys can see, since I have only blocked one person, it's showing me one person's name. But if you have blocked multiple person or multiple contacts, it's going to show you that. So let's say I want to unblock this person. Right beside his name, you can see this little cross icon. I have to click on that and it says, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? So yes, I want to, so I will click on yes. Once I do that, he has been unblocked, and as you guys can see, the moment he's unblocked, he's removed from this list. So that's how you guys can unblock your blocked contacts on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys in my future video related with Snapchat. Bye bye until then.